Take a ride in the 2007 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, stability control, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel ABS, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, universal garage door opener, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.